What's up, EAE fam? Hold on, let me turn this music down because I don't want any copyright issues. So we're gonna start this over in just a moment. I had to pause it for a second. What's up, EAE fam? It's your boy AB back again with another video. Very special video because I am just wanting to say you all be blessed and have a great Thanksgiving. What am I doing? What is my family doing? As of right now, as you could see, I had some music going and I'm getting ready to cook. My brother-in-law text me this morning, actually called me this morning, and he had texted me a picture of the infamous chitlins, as we say in the South, or chitterlings if you want to pronounce it correctly. Basically, pig intestines or pig intestines that we only eat once a year. At least I do. I grew up on them. My mom cooked them. I actually cooked them too. I would help clean them, boil them, add the components to it, the ingredients to it, and then fry them up at the end. Now, with all that said and done, Sharon, the missus, is giving me such a hard time because I have never cooked them. This is the first time I'm cooking them in years, but I have an overwhelming taste for them. I know that my brother-in-law's hopefully going to save me some when we get down to Indiana tomorrow, so we will see. But for now, I had to go to probably a spot that you find in the South, Piggly Wiggly. I had to go to Piggly Wiggly store, grocery store, and we do have that. We do have those here in Kenosha, in Wisconsin, and actually the one I was going to that was in the neighborhood where we used to live when I was stationed in Naval Station Great Lakes while I was in the Navy. It closed down, so that actually threw me off. So, but yeah, went to Piggly Wiggly where I knew I could find it. And if you are familiar with chitlins, is how I'm going to pronounce it, you know they normally come in a bucket, a red. I want to say like a 5-10 pound. I want to say 5 pound bucket, and that's what you would pull the chitlins from. Now you keep them frozen. This is frozen. So that's about to go in the sink. Put some lukewarm water, nothing too hot, just some lukewarm water over it. I'm gonna get my pot going. I'm gonna use that yellow pot right there, and go ahead and get that going. Let me get some light on the situation here. Boom! Haha. So that is what I am about to do, and I'm gonna go see some family tomorrow. And we're just going to enjoy. Even last night, we had us a blast. We had our little karaoke machine. We're singing, dancing, just having a good time. And that's what life is about. But, you know, holidays definitely bring that out. It exudes more just love and happiness because it's a big break from the mundane or the grind or the work and working for, you know, someone or for yourself. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Thank you for watching today. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel or you just have not subscribed yet and you want to, definitely hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any further content. Now, as always, thank you to my servicemen and women that are serving. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys, my active duty members and my fellow veterans. Big salute to you. And as always, you know what to do. What? Keep driving.